This is the water heater. What are we looking at here? We've got 50 gallons, manufactured in 16, 4 years old. We do not have an escutcheon plate. Gives me a thimble. That looks like some kind of a vent. That's an air supply register. I'm not sure what's going on with that. This door does not look like it's very well ventilated. We do not have makeup air. Excuse me, we do not have combustible air. If that's a vent at all, that's makeup air. It's a flexible closed dryer vent. That's a reoccurring theme here. Do not have a care and use manual. The piping is not insulated next to the tank. I haven't found any bonding location for the electrical. We got some PEX supply there. No care and use manual. The draft hood. Look at that. It's just smashed down on there. That is no way wrong. And the way it's vented in the attic too. This is no. How many different ways can you say no? Temperature pressure relief valve should have been insulated. It's questionable the way it's. Either way, it terminates incorrectly outside. If the safety pan even has a drain, it doesn't terminate correctly outside. This is kind of interesting. Check this out. It takes a wrench to turn the gas off. This is kind of interesting. Oh, there you go. Wrapping you around. Don't make a liar out of me. I don't see any glue on this. There we go. Just comes off right there. So that's 200 pounds of pressure. 200 degrees, 200 pounds. It's just going to blow this fitting off. There you go. Let's put it back. Not like it's going to do anything. I knew it wasn't done right. I could tell by the way it was not glued. See that one's glued? No glue. Why it's yellow. This gas is definitely an old connector. You're supposed to replace the connectors every time you replace the water heater. This connector is definitely older than 4 years. It's been painted, I can't tell, but it looks to me like it's brass and it's an obsolete and a dangerous system. And we do not have a gas sediment trap going. Do have electronic ignition, do not have a expansion tank. It's only 80 PS, it's 80 PSI, so it might not be required. You know, wrong gas connector, no sediment trap, wrong gas valve, TMP is not insulated, not connected, not insulated, let's terminate, draft hood, no thimble, improper ventilation, just about a perfect score. And the way this tilts up down here, I don't know if you can see that exactly, but yes, it does tilt up. Okay, that makes a trap. Just nothing's right on this, hardly. You do have dielectric unions. That's the only right thing I've seen that I can call out.